Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Etsy to QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online in your web browser and sign in with an admin user on the company you want to connect. From the main workspace, look toward the upper right area of the screen for the integrations option. Interface labels can shift slightly from time to time, but you're looking for the section where QuickBooks groups partner apps and connections. Click Integrations to open the Integrations hub. Inside the hub, choose Find Integrations. This takes you to the App Center where you can search across available connectors. In the search bar, type Etsy and pause for the results to load. You should see an option called Etsy Connector by QuickBooks. Select it to open the app details page. This is the official connector designed to bring your Etsy sales, fees, and payouts into QuickBooks Online, helping you keep books accurate without manual entry. On the app card, confirm that your QuickBooks Online subscription supports third-party apps and that you have the correct permissions to install integrations. If you manage billing for your company, it's a good time to double-check you're on an active plan and signed in as an admin. Reviewing the overview on this page can also help you understand what data will sync and what authorizations are needed. When you're ready, click Get Integration Now. QuickBooks will guide you through the setup flow. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection and grant access so the connector can read your Etsy data and post transactions into your books. Have your Etsy shop credentials handy and be prepared to confirm which QuickBooks company you're connecting to. Follow the on-screen prompts. These steps are tailored by the connector to ensure your shop and books line up correctly. A few helpful tips as you proceed. If you don't see integrations where expected, look for apps in the left navigation and use the search there. It leads to the same App Center. Make sure pop-ups are allowed in your browser so authorization windows can open. It's also a good idea to note your preferred accounts in QuickBooks for sales, fees, and deposits so you recognize them during setup. After you finish authorizing, the connector begins preparing your first sync based on the choices you make in the flow. That's it. You've navigated to integrations, found the Etsy connector by QuickBooks, confirmed your plan, and selected Get Integration Now. From here, let the guided prompts complete the connection, and you'll be on your way to bringing Etsy activity seamlessly into QuickBooks Online.